to go find a secret little beach, and it's walking distance from Old San Juan, which there's like no beaches here. So we're gonna go find it, and it's called, should I tell them what it's called?
Yeah.
Okay. It's called Playa Pena, and it's kind of like a little hidden gem.
Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone. I mean, I did find this hidden gem on Google, so you can too. So if you're coming from Old San Juan, we've got the Capitol building on the right. On the left, we're looking for a statue called the San Juan Bautista statue. You'll see steps to the right of this statue.
Alright, we have made it to the secluded beach. The sand's pretty nice though.
Sand is nice, very secluded. Literally there's one person here. The water's pretty. This reminds me of the time we almost drowned.
Yeah, it reminds me of that time too. When you get rocks in the ocean like that, it creates like a funnel.
Riptide.
Riptide kind of situation. Yeah, you don't really want to deal with that.
We'll save that story for another day, but
yeah.
Both of us almost died.
Very close. Never swim past waist deep on Condado Beach.
Never.
Never do it. They take an American a week, legend has it.
We'll save the story for another day.
But they didn't take these two Americans.
Not today. Not then.
Not then.
Not never. Not
Never.
ever.
Buenos dias. Hey, we're getting ready for our rainforest excursion today. Bright and early, gonna go out there and hike El Yunque.
El Yunque Rainforest.
Yeah.
It's like the only rainforest in Puerto Rico. And we're gonna be going on like a crazy hike to a watering hole, and we're gonna go swim in like a natural spring. There's gonna be a rope swing, there's gonna be these natural water slides.
I wish it was like a group thing though. You know?
Oh
like,
yeah, I'm kind of nervous because I'm not really athletic. I do wish it was a group thing.
Yeah, it'd be cool if like Jency went or something.
Yeah, the Gensanity.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
We wish you could come.
Shout out. What's going on? We're here in the El Yunque Rainforest, making our way step by step across this rocky, muddy trail. There it is. We're back by El Morro, here on our way to the bar restaurant we've been to one other time. We went there a long time ago whenever we explored this here cemetery.
We're not even sure how to get there.
Yeah, we're not sure how to get there, but here's a little footage of the cemetery, if you're curious. So that's where we gotta go. And we don't see a good way to get there.
Last time we went through a weird jungle pathway and we had to jump over a wall, remember? And I had to stand on your shoulders.
I do. So that was last time.
Do we need, is that the only way to get there? Breaking and entering?
It seems like that in a way. Otherwise, we gotta walk in the street over here.
I'm scared to go back to the bar that same way though. There must be a more legal way to enter.
There must be. I just don't see one. I feel like there has to be a way down there over here.
We've been here a million times. There's no way down over
There's
here.
not, yeah.
Oh, are we lost?
I'm not seeing it. Okay, I think
We're terrible GoProer. We're terrible people. There we go. I think we go all the way down there on that edge road, go downstairs, and just go through that way. Either that or we need to jump over this wall, get into the cemetery, and then go out. Like we need to go through the cemetery, up the wall, or we need to go down here, this tunnel.
I think this is the tunnel. I think this is where we gotta go.
Okay,
It's just like dangerous because there's nowhere to walk.
Oh, we can't do that. I'll go first and then I'll
Yeah, okay.
go through the tunnel. I'm scared.
And we made it. Ooh,
Guys,
look at that.
this is the fence that we had to jump last time.
Yeah, we did. But we were almost there. I can almost smell the pina colada.
Oh my god, getting PTSD from...
This is definitely where we jumped.
Right, yeah, right
Yeah.
after we jumped, we saw like a trooper or something, but they didn't see us, so we
Yeah.
didn't get caught. But, and then there was a grave robbing situation. We don't recommend. Okay, so
I recommend. But look at that view though.
RV Nation, if you want to get to this bar, go to El Moro, go find the tunnel, go follow a car through the tunnel, and
But if you go while the cemetery is open,
walk along this path.
you jump into the cemetery and then you just walk on out. All right, I think we made it. Check out this view.
RV Nation, it's R.
And V.
And tonight we are staying in. It's a rainy night tonight, so we are painting some pumpkins. We bought some paint. We have these ugly pumpkins we got from Walmart. Like literally there was nothing orange, so maybe we'll paint it orange. We have some paint brushes. We have the kitties. It's been a while since you guys have seen our foster babies. They are so cute, they're so big, and I pride myself in being a foster kitten mom. So we're gonna play Helen's kitten game. Okay. Okay, I think this is winter. Well, actually, it could be autumn. It's either winter or autumn.
Next.
Oh, okay. This is spring.
All right, I've got one more loaded up here.
Oh my god, this is summer. I'm pretty sure this is summer.
All right, and you're back.
Oh, wait, is this summer? Ah, this is way harder than I thought. I think this is winter. Am I right now? Wait, what?
Deers. You're wrong about all of them. You were very close to them. You felt you loved them all the same.
All right, it's your turn.
Okay, so let's make this an energy-based thing. Hold the phone. This is winter.
Winter? Number 2.
Okay. Whoa, this is a big boy. Interest. Summer. Wait a second.
Summer? Okay.
Summer.
Summer. Number 2, summer.
Are you giving me all the same cat?
No!
This one is a little bitty. Okay, and the last one.
Right? The smell.
This is spring.
Alright, you're right about that.
Is that wrong with everything else?
You're wrong about everything else.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here at our scuba excursion experience.
It's called Escambron Beach. We're actually at a marine sanctuary. We woke up this morning and decided to go snorkeling.
Yeah, it's a little different, to mix things up.
It's a bit of a windy day, to be honest.
Yeah, we got a little bit of chop out here, as you can see, but I think, a few broken dishes.
Okay, we are going to a marine sanctuary at Escambron Beach, and we are going to see manatees, turtles, eagle rays, countless species of fish, and it should be a lot of fun. A little bit of a windy day, but hopefully it should be fine. I'm an amazing swimmer.
Yeah, she is, and so am I, and hopefully we see some cool fish out there.
Snorkeling. It was so much fun.
Awesome time.
We didn't get that much footage because, okay, we forgot our waterproof camera case, but also, funny enough, the dude there was a bit of like a anti-technology dude. Did you not get weird vibes from him?
Yeah, he had like a whole rant before we got started.
So he had a whole rant about like how we need to connect with the ocean and nature.
And if we don't, then the planet's gonna end for our grandchildren or something.
It was kind of a lot. We appreciated it, but yeah, he was just like, technology.
It came from a good place, though.
It came from a good place.
He had prepared that speech in the mirror every day.
Every single day. It was just like connecting with the universe and marine life. I don't really know.
It was a whole thing.
It was a whole thing, but
good guy though.
Regardless, we had a great time. We saw so many sea turtles. They were so cute. Anyway, we are hanging out here at the beach. We walked through this little international market, and we somehow stumbled upon a professional
extremely competitive paddleboarding competition.
Yes.
So this concludes our Puerto Rican adventure, our nomadic experience here in Old San Juan. A lot of fun times, really cool experience, would totally come back in a heartbeat.
Duh.
And yeah, always. And obviously. And yeah, just a great time. Hope you enjoyed the watch.
Until next time.
Next time. It's me and the Veinster here. Oh, excuse me, sorry, okay. There's very thin sidewalks here.
No, you pushed me.
You almost fell down the stairs.
I'm very careful.
You're really not. Let's go. Come on, honey. Let's go.
We saw some octopuses.
Octopuses?
Octopuses.
Octopuses?